Tonight, the CDC is warning about a significant increase in respiratory illnesses across the country. There are 4 that they are keeping a close eye on. Those are the flu, COVID, RSV, and the norovirus. These cases are seeing an uptick in 35 states across the country, including South Carolina. WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris spoke with local medical experts about what they are seeing in the Carolinas.
Yet local doctors are seeing exactly what the CDC is reporting. A sharp rise in cases of the flu, COVID, and RSV, and they're concerned the timing, as this is all ahead of peak respiratory virus season. Hospitals in the Carolinas are seeing more and more patients coming in with difficulty breathing, persistent high fever, and worsening symptoms.
This time of year in the winter season, we're seeing a lot of respiratory viruses that are going around.
In the last week, 13% of people who went to the emergency room in North Carolina had symptoms of a respiratory virus.
You're covering when you cough and sneeze and those sorts of
Dr. Kramer McCullen at Novant outlines what separates this virus season compared to years past.
Over the past few years, we've been really focused on COVID, right? And so I think with masking, people were a lot more cautious in terms of keeping their hands washed, keeping surfaces clean, a little bit more social distancing. So as we've seen those kind of regulations relax, I think we're probably just having more contact with each other than we did in the past few years.
Some hospitals like Novant and Atrium Health are taking precautionary measures to help reduce the spread, including prohibiting those 13 and younger from visiting.
When we hit that kind of tipping point where we're really seeing a high burden within our communities, within our hospitals, we layer on additional measures to make sure our most at-risk patients are as safe as possible within our walls.
And as doctors continue to monitor cases, there are ways you can protect yourself from respiratory virus season.
It's not too late to get the flu shot. You can still get the flu shot. We think the flu season lasts through March to early April.
And health experts stress if you have any of the symptoms, don't wait. Get in contact with your physician or with your local urgent care. At Novant Health, I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.